Hi, and welcome to Miss Garza's first grade class. I guess you're wondering why I'm wearing the goggles. Well, how many of you have ever counted with fish? Well, that is what we're going to do today. We're going to add and subtract up to the sum of 18 with goldfish. Each student will get a bag of 18 goldfish and a printout of a goldfish, of a fish bowl. I'm going to have Kristen and John come pass out the tools that they will need to start the assignment. We'll also, later on, after the assignment and going over different addition and subtraction problems, we will break up in small groups and go over what we have learned today, and then go back to our desk and do a worksheet to see how much y'all have remembered, and use your fish in your fish bowl to do that. We're going to get started, and what we're going to do is we're going to have practice. And we're going to first start with 3 plus 2. We're going to take 3 of our fish plus 2. And if we add that together, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fish in our bowl. Now all of you we're going to do the next problem. And take your fish out with your bowl, and I'd like for you to do the same thing. You have 8 plus 8. Now this would be my overhead if I was in a real classroom, so we could put the problems out together. Once again, we're going to put 8 plus 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll add those together and count them. Johnny, would you like to come up and count? You are right. It is 16. Go have a seat. Thank you. Okay, we're going to clear that off, and now we have subtraction. We did 2 additions, and now we have subtractions. We have 5 we're going to start out with, and we are going to take away 3, which leaving us 2 goldfish. Now remember, when we have a plus sign, you're adding it together, your total. When you have a subtraction, you're taking the larger number, putting the goldfish, and taking away the smaller number. Okay, we have 18. So let's count out our 18, which it should be all of your fish, because we said at the beginning we had 18 goldfish in our bag. So here they are, and we're going to take away 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many are we going to have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are correct. Now we're going to start, we've done this together as a class, and now we are going to do individual fish. We're going to have a student come up and come to the board and help solve the problem on the board. While they do that, they're going to pull a number out of our fish bowl, a card out of our fish bowl that's going to have a problem, maybe addition or subtraction. So here we have a student pull out. They're going to come up, and they have 5 plus 5. I'd like them to come up and do their addition problem on the board to get their answer. And they can draw little fish or draw dots, whatever would help them to get their problem. Here we will draw some fish. To the best of my ability. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be one student that would come up and work the problem in front of the class. So on, we have several different other ones, and there's just some ideas like 6 plus 4, 18 minus 9. And every student would at least get one chance of coming up to the board and working a problem. Okay, after we finish that, we are now broken into our small groups, and they will go around and have different addition problems, and they'll work together, and I will monitor them by walking around the room. Afterwards, small groups will go back to their back to their desk, and I will pass out a worksheet that has 1 to 10 problems, 1 through 10 problems, and it will have the addition and subtractions to 18. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you.